Hi, how's it going? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. I'm off-centered. It's gonna bother me. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are doing another unboxing. And this is for the winter Causebox, which I'm holding right here. So if you guys don't know what Causebox is, I will make sure that I link them down in the description box below, as well as I will include a coupon code for you guys to save some money if you decide to subscribe. So Causebox is a subscription box. You guys could probably already tell from the title. This is their winter box. This is just to show you guys what the artwork looks like. Again, it is so beautiful. I have been racking my brain on what to use this box for because I don't want to recycle it or get rid of it. I just think that the artwork is so pretty on this box. So I'm hunting for ways to repurpose this box. If you guys think of something, let me know. And then to show you guys the back of the box, this is what it looks like. So the first product that we have for this month is from True Moringa. This is their rejuvenating body polish. And on the packaging, it just says exfoliating body scrub with coffee and moringa oil. So I'm gonna tell you guys, I have been loving, absolutely loving any kind of skincare products or any kind of spa-like products that I can use at home. I have been working like crazy at the hospital. This past week, I worked 6 out of the last 7 days. I would not recommend. My body is on fire. And I really just appreciate anything that allows me to have some kind of spa day or really have some kind of self-care day at home. So I really appreciate products like this. Ooh, and it smells really good. Like the coffee and then like the minty smell, it like really opened up my nostrils there. This is nice. I'm actually gonna go put this in the shower right after I finish this. I just showered not too long ago, but definitely cannot wait to use this. And on the packaging, it just says, our mission is to create sustainable income opportunities for our family of farmers in Ghana while bringing you the purest moringa oil on the planet. Wake up your shower routine and revive dry and dull skin with a blissful aromatic blend of coffee beans, organic sugar, cold pressed moringa, and energizing essential oils. Next, we have a product from Encoroma. This is their Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner. This product is made in Italy, and on the bottle it just says purifying formula for all skin types. So it just says, after cleansing, moisten a cotton pad with Truffle Therapy Face Toner, apply to face, follow with Truffle Therapy Serum, and then Truffle Therapy Cream. And it says this is not your traditional toner. We have designed this toner to cleanse and purify the skin, formulated with natural extracts of truffle, calendula, rose, and rosemary, among many others. We've created a blend to deeply purify the skin while contributing with antiseptic powers to remove dead skin and bacteria and prevent future breakouts, while boosting the skin with extra antioxidants. Next up, I have this Peony foot mask from Soon, and it says on the box, peony root extract, green tea extract, and apple extract. Oh wow, that's a lot. There are five things in here. Single use. Oh, wow. Okay, there are a whole bunch of these in here. Wow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 of these in here. Each one comes with 2, obviously 1 for each foot, but you can use, there are 5 different times that you can do a little foot mask. So you guys, I'm already excited because we have a whole spa day already going. You take your shower, you come out and do your skincare routine, you have your toner, pop these guys on your feet, watch The Bachelor, watch Netflix. I just finished watching Bling Empire. Watch whatever you want to watch, but pop these on your feet and go. It says alleviate foot fatigue while treating your tootsies with a formula that nourishes and comforts. So how to use. It shows a foot dipping into some warm water. Then it shows you cutting the package. You put them on, you wait some time, and then it shows sparkly feet. So wash and dry your feet, remove mask from patch, cut down the center of sheets on the dotted line, put feet in mask, then tighten with the sticker link strap. Leave on feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask and massage remaining essence onto feet. You've got toe curling smooth feet. And this product is cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, and vegan. I'm excited because I've actually done one of these foot masks, not from this brand, but from another brand, and it made all the dead skin peel off. My feet looked rank when it was in the process, but once all that dead skin peeled off, my feet looked amazing. So I'm excited to try these out, and that I have so many to try them on so many different occasions. And as a healthcare worker, foot fatigue is a real thing. I stand on my feet for 13 hours a day. So much appreciated, Causebox, for including this. Next up from Boon Supply, we have these resealable, reusable zip pouches. These are actually really nice. You can't go wrong, especially if you're doing meal prep. I know a lot of people are working from home and they're not having to go anywhere, but I know that some people, their kids are going to school, some people work in healthcare, some people do still have to go into the office. So it's nice to have little pouches like these that you can put various things. You can put a sandwich, you can put chips, you can put nuts, you can put fruit, put whatever you need to in these pouches and not have to worry about reusing something that's not biodegradable or that's going to take thousands of years to break down a landfill. It's nice to know that, one, you're saving money, you're not having to buy those disposable bags, but then also you can rinse these out. Once you have them, you're good to go. I've tried reusable zip pouches and some of them are just so flimsy, but these ones are nice. You can tell that they're nice and sealed up because it has that nice click to it. Next, from Thread Supply, you have this super soft cardigan, definitely giving me all the cozy girl vibes. I will put a picture here so that you guys can see what it looked like when I wore it. It is absolutely so comfortable. I'm already planning my spa day. I'm going to shower, I'm going to use the toner, do my skincare routine, I'm going to have some snacks packed, put on my little foot mask, put this on, wear some comfy little pants, sweats, wear this on top, turn off all the lights, turn on my projector, catch up on The Bachelor because I haven't watched this season, and I'm just gonna chill. I'm excited. But this is one size fits most. It's really soft. I don't want to put my face on it because I'm wearing makeup, but it is very soft. So definitely a great thing to have. Again, if you're working from home or if you're just lounging around, you want to be comfy. It elevates the look. You can pair it with jeans, you can pair it with sweats, dress it up, dress it down, whatever you want to do. It's soft and it's warm. And then the final thing is from Ettitude. And these are their bamboo lyocell pillowcases. At first, I thought these were satin pillowcases. I'm saying pillowcases, it's one pillowcase. But this is what it looks like. It is nice and soft, like it kind of looks like satin. It's a little shiny, it looks like satin. But on this little information card that they sent over, it says, silky, soft, and sustainable, it's true with clean bamboo. Our eco-friendly fabric is mindfully sourced and made with care. Made from 100% organic bamboo, water and energy saving, FSC certified, responsibly grown, minimal packaging, hyperallergenic, and chemical free. So you guys, that is everything. I feel like everything in the box for this season was very cohesive. Definitely things that you can use in combination together. You can slap on the pillowcase, lounge around, sit in bed, watch TV while wearing your cardigan, eating some snacks, in your reusable bags. You can have a foot mask on after you just did a spa day. So I feel like I like to envision how can I use these things together. Because there's nothing that I hate more than getting products in a subscription box and then thinking, I'm never going to use this or I'm going to have to pass on this. So it's really nice that I already have my gears turning on what I'm going to use these things for. But that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them down in the comment section below. I will make sure, again, I linked everything in the description box. If you want to join Causebox, I will have a coupon code there as well as a link to their website so you guys can check them out. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.